Hi guys, we're back at the Edgy today on a Sunday, just doing a little bit of maintenance. We've got some hard clunks bashing around in the Edgy, so what we're doing is chopping a few holes in the flights at certain sequences, and that allows a little bit of dirt through, and then the tailings won't crash down, they'll just keep rolling over them. That's the hypothesis anyway. So we'll go inside and chop a hole in a couple of those flights. Let's go. Okay, so now we're inside the Edgy, and you can see the little window that I've cut there in the flight. So hopefully, as it's rolling around, some dirt will go through, and then the other dirt that's coming over the flight will land on it and just keep rolling. Because at the moment the hard clumps seem to be sort of smashing the finer opal. So if we can get more of a rolling action going rather than a falling and crashing action, hopefully that'll work. But it's an experiment anyway. I've seen other people do it and they say it works, so we're going to try it. Anyway, I've got one final window to cut, so I'm going to do it now. We'll start down here. Get my safety goggles on. Clean the dust off them first. Then I can actually see. Okay. Done. Okay, mission accomplished. We can go on to the next job now. Okay, hi everybody, we're back at the blower. Continuation of our Sunday maintenance program. And we had to change the belts on the blower, so we had to remove all the safety guarding. So today, we're just putting that safety guarding back on. We couldn't put it on straight away because we had to run it for a couple of days and then re-tighten the belt. But now it's time to put it back on. So I'm just going to weld one with function and take it from there. made for the welding. The rest we can you know, wire up and use bolts and all that. So that's it for now. Yeah, hi everybody. We've finished putting the guards back on, so that pretty much completes our Sunday maintenance. Which means now we can go for a relaxing walk around the new lease to check out for drilling. But anyway, it's all sturdy and firm, so if you fall on it you're not going to get tangled up in those belts. A few little welds, a couple of nuts and bolts, and a bit of tie wire, and we're done.